Hello my friends! I got lost again somewhere in Siberia, so I'm in the dacha. Dacha is really iconic place for Russians, and I think you ever once heard about this word in Russian culture, and I came nearby the Tomsk to the dacha of my parents. Let's go to discover it! First of all, let's go to the historical excursus, how appeared dachas. The first dachas appeared in the 19th century, and only the richest persons could afford it to themselves. So it was really like a summer house or the second house to be closer to the nature. But the massive distribution of dachas started only in the USSR time, when people relocate from the villages to the big cities. They started their life in apartments and flats, but in this time people had the habit to grow something their own goods, their own vegetables on their private area. And then people started to grow dachas, to build dachas. So, and additionally was the problem of goods deficit in the USSR time. That was the great USSR, yes. And additionally, we came to the meaningful of the name of dacha in Russian language. Dacha originates from the Russian verb of давать, which means to give. Dacha was the solution of another problem, because when people started to live in their own flats and apartments, they faced with problem what they hadn't your private areas surrounded your house, like it was in the villages, when you have special areas surrounded your home, when you can make something what you want. And the dacha was a real solution of it. And here we go to the second synonym of dacha, огород. Огород originates from the Russian verb of огородить, which means to make, to fence in, which means to build the fence, which will be the border between the areas of another person. In general, dacha was a place to save your self-sufficiency and to save the natural economy. Let's go to a field and I show you some cultures and vegetables which we grow on this dacha. So first of all, let me show you this specific area. So this specific sector in dacha named like a грядка, one another words in your Russian vocabulary. So on this грядка we are growing the beet with some dill. And let's go to the next грядка. Here is gonna be the dill with some carrot. The next грядка is carrot with dill again. So let's go to this. Here we're growing some kinds of salad, and this is one small greenhouse. Here we're growing some cucumbers and some vegetable marrows. So let I try to find it. So it's still small. Look at this. And let's go next. One another specific cultures what we are growing in the dacha, it's herbs. One of my favorite herb is mint. A very big area of mint on our dacha, because we really like mint. So I think you know what I'm really fan of herbs. We have a lot of different herbs, not only for the tea but also just for eating. And here we're growing some green onion, and here we're growing the celery and another kinds of the salad. To the topic of the herbs, here we're growing the thyme. I bring it with myself from the Altai trip 2 years ago, and so it's gone 2 years and it's successfully growing in our private area. So in general, thyme is growing in Tomsk Oblast, but it's in the local red book. That is, we decided to not eat cut in the nature, but to have our own thyme in the dacha. And the last one place I want to show, it's a field of potato. Russians used it for growing potato in a big amount, because potato it's like the second bread. And nearby with potato we are growing some cabbage. Here is the compost pit, and Russians started to sort the waste much more before when it started to be the mainstream. Sort the waste and nature will like you, as you like my videos. The second massive opportunity that gives Dacha for Russians, it's a place for holidays, it's a place for relaxation and just a place for spending the weekends. And let I show you the natural destinations in outskirts of my dacha, and I show you how I am relaxing there. The lunchtime is going, and I want to make the special Russian summer soup, okroshka. And I'm collecting the ingredients for it, and I'm starting from collecting the dill. Here is the ingredients for okroshka: sausage, but traditionally it made with beef or maybe chicken, eggs, potato, cucumbers, dill, onion, and here is no radish because the radish is fructifying in the beginning of summer, and we will make it without the radish. So let's go to do it. Okroshka is nearly ready, now we only add the kvass, but some people made it with a kefir, so it's a kvass lagodi, local Tomsk made kvass. And the sauce for okroshka is usually it's going the Russian smetana or the sour cream. Let's add it. So looking awesome. Summer Russian soup, the great meal for do it at the dacha. Wonderful. I think you have a question how Russians preserve and conserve their products and save it till the next season. Let's find out it. Let's go to check what doing our neighbors on their dachas.
Артемочка, это вот убрала лук, положила его посушить. Нынче лето очень плохое, как никогда плохое. Первый год за много лет, 40 лет у меня огород здесь, 40 лет вот такая дрянь погода. Вначале мороз, потом град, потом ливни залило все. Всю картошку попортила. Все лук, вот видите, сушить придется, и долго придется сушить.
Это высушиваете перед тем, чтобы его...
Перед тем, чтобы положить его
на хранение, в погреб уже.
На хранение, да, на хранение. Там в погреб лук не ложат, но на хранение. Вот сейчас посохнет, потом обрежу, очищу головочки все, и тогда его положу на хранение. Вот и так целый день.
Тетя Нина, для чего вам вообще огород нужен?
Знаешь, для жизни. Ведь земля, она лечит, кормит, поет. Ну, поет не поет, но кормит. И зарядка. Вот почему много лет мы живем? Лет-то мне очень много, а я себя чувствую отлично, потому что я все время тружусь на земле. Мне ведь скоро уже 80, вот на носу.
То есть огород для вас это больше как и отдых, и время досуга?
Ну, это земля. Я родилась на ней, и вот выросла на этой земле. Хотя я прожила всю жизнь в городе. Ну, 40 лет я имею вот эту дачу. Я ее люблю. В детстве мои родители жили в деревне. Приучили нас к земле, приучили к труду. И вот с этих пор и я своих детей тоже приучила. И тоже заразила этой заразой. Ну вот тянет к земле, тянет. Вот трудно, вот плохо, что вот все плохо получилось в этом году, а все равно это родное. Все равно это земля. Плохо, ни цветы замыло все, ни картошку, все. Но она мне нравится все равно.
Today we have a special celebration for our family. Today was the rite of baptism of my niece and we celebrated on our dacha. I am taking finally prepared products into the pogreb. Pogreb it's like a cellar. Those Russians who has their own dacha or the house in the village, they frequently made their own pogreb in their house. So, but my family has a pogreb, just a part of a room located inside of a common courtyard in the city. So this stuff is a pogreb. It's just the stairs into the underground. Let's go there.
Аккуратненько.
Finally we're going into the underground. There is almost no light. Wow. Wow. Here we go. Wow. Look at this. Here's just a big tunnel. Let's go. Our room is gonna be one of the last in this tunnel. Let's go there. Oh, wow. Wow. So just a feeling you're just like in the underground. Usual underground, but only it's a place where people storing their products. Oh, that's an insane place. So friends, that's how we do, that's how dacha let Russians to survive. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.